Hello guys.
And welcome to our slime video. We're going to show you how to make these amazing slimes that we made. We have food coloring, and if you do not want to use food coloring, you do not have to.
Food coloring is optional.
Yes, optional. Optional!
So, the slime is very soft and very stretchy, as you can see, obviously. So yeah.
Okay, so here's our mixing bowl.
Oh god, my bowl's so much bigger than yours.
This one still has. Okay, 1 second. I
Here,
gotta
you
go.
take this one.
That one has borax in it.
How?
From the one last.
How can you tell? That's just water.
Oh, okay. Well,
I cleaned them.
okay, so
Okay, ready? Okay, so what you're gonna need is a bowl,
a mixing tool.
a mixing tool. Oh, the spoon is. No, it's in. It's in.
See right back.
You don't really have to say that. We can just edit it out. Just go grab it. We can cut it out, you know. Is it clean enough?
Yeah. I mean, you might want to get that color off.
Oh god.
Get that, so it doesn't mix anything. Okay.
So what you're going to need is a bowl. Any glue. We're just using regular school glue.
And optional for
Food
coloring, we have red, yellow, green, and blue. And of course, you want to melt some. You want to dissolve some borax in some warm water
We used about 3 tablespoons.
of borax. And so let's get going.
Okay, we need the glue. You can use the last little bit.
Okay, so it doesn't really matter how much glue you use. Oh wow.
We're gonna pour the glue into our bowls now.
Okay, so get as much as I can.
Oh.
Come on. We're gonna.
You can use however much glue you want. I'm just using about this much. I know it's kind of hard to see, but
Because it kind of blends in with the bowl.
she'll show you.
As soon as I get it all out. Okay, that's not good.
I have a really good idea.
There we go. So we're using about this much glue. It's not a lot, but
Oh god. Oh, it's just
Water.
water.
so now what you want to do is you want to choose the
Whatever
food coloring, and if not, just wait and see what we have to do left.
Right.
So let's see.
I am going to make a teal, I think, so I'm probably going to use about 5 drops of glue.
And I'm going to try to make the sunset orange. Alright, if I can get this off. How much red did you use?
Well, if you want it this dark, you use 17 yellow and 3 red.
So 1,
That's a lot of
2,
glue.
3,
So I used 4 drops.
17 yellow.
So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And next, you are going to want to mix the 2 colors together. It's like toothpaste. Doesn't mine?
6.
They use another drop of green.
Do whatever you want. It's
It'll
yours.
just make it darker.
I'm afraid we're gonna get there.
These are our 2 colors so far. Shit. Mine looks like toothpaste, kinda. Literally the texture of it and everything looks like microwave toothpaste.
Mine just looks orange.
It looks like mine.
I know.
Except I added a couple more drops of yellow in it.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more red. Like 2.
So you're just going to want to try to pour the least amount that you can into this. So,
I'm gonna have him do mine because last time I did it, it didn't end so well.
I'm not even just pulling up this. So it's kind of this really weird looking chunky texture, but that's okay. Look at it.
I only put a little bit.
I just want to put this in there. And if it is this chunky texture like this,
Yours makes so much noise.
if it is this chunky texture, if it's this chunky texture like this, you're gonna want to have one just a tiny bit.
Okay, come on, Ricky. This is where you make a mistake. Yes.
Have to keep it together.
So, as you slowly put the borax in,
Very
as you slowly put the borax in, you'll slowly get your slimy texture, which shall turn into this beautiful slime.
add too much.
Actually, you didn't add too much. Just
I did. I did it up.
so he'll be right back. He's got to go. He accidentally put too much borax, which is what I did with this one, but it kind of turned out good. Turned out great. It actually did good.
I think if I add more glue in it, maybe it'll be okay.
Maybe, yeah. Ooh, that might have been too much.
Okay.
Or maybe just right.
Yeah, okay, this is like
Okay, so he had to add more glue, as you can see,
why are
because
you saying
he
this?
had a little complication with the borax.
Hey, it's working.
That's good.
It's doing enough anyways. If you didn't know.
It's not too late. It's on the
Okay. Ugh. It is very. This is called chunky malai texture.
side. But it shall turn into a good texture.
It's just still very wet and moist. It's like plain what? I don't even know.
I'm still trying to get to that texture of slime.
What is wrong? It never works for you. Mine's not even a good texture. Mine's so smooth. If you ever activate your slime too much, you can always put toothpaste in it, and it'll help make it
Or
soft.
Play-Doh.
Or lotion, but or baby oil. All that will work. Right?
A lot of essentials shall work to
Yeah.
deactivate your slime.
I think mine might turn out like a mistake.
Mine didn't turn out bad. Oh no.
Look at mine's so good. I really like the color.
Mine's
The rest
still.
of it is nice. Your film line is it as hard as yours was?
Yeah.
So it'll probably get
Just try to warm it up a little. I think I added too much because you were asking me for help.
So mine turned out pretty good. Not as good as my
Other
orange
one.
one did, my first one did.
Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna drain some of this.
See? This one turned out almost perfect.
I think all
This would make
this,
a good butter slime.
I think all this one needs is to be just kneaded in with my hands. So I'm gonna get on in there.
Oh, yours is gonna turn okay.
How do you know? Is
Mine's
that-
beginning to get a little bit softer. Yes.
Now, if you make two batches like we did, you can mix them together to try to make a nice color, but they can turn out bad unless you have like blue and red one. That makes purple. Blue and red makes purple. I mean,
Just make sure you're smart about the color wheel.
yes, the color wheel.
The color wheel.
Very smart. Your thing's about to drip off the table.
This Uranus.
So we have our 2 batches of slime that we have created.
Can I tell yours? It's amazing.
Wow! I gotta warm it up a bit more though.
See, mine's basically tacky. It's not slime. It looks like.
Hey, that's what mine was like before it turned into that Uranus.
Yes, we have very Uranus. Oh, I found it head. It's making me keep. We can cut that out. So here's a beautiful slime.
It took 10 minutes. I took us 10 minutes to do.
Here's a beautiful slime. If you have any recommendations, leave it in the comments below. We would really like to try them. And we're thinking about making a shaving cream slime video. And if you think that's a good idea, yeah, fluffy slime. We were thinking about creating a fluffy slime
Say
video.
yes or no down in the comments below on whether we should make a fluffy slime video and just show you how it turns out.
Or give us a thumbs up.
And we don't like to be one of those people who like shove it in your face and be like, this is what this slime looks like.